Welcome back to Best Futuristic Gadgets. Your desk has a monitor, a keyboard, a charger, and a chair. None of them talk to each other, none of them adapt to you, and none of them are doing anything to make you more productive. They're just sitting there waiting to be used. Every gadget in this video changes that. An AI workspace system that manages your environment so you can manage your work, a holographic monitor with no glasses required, and a chair that physically moves with your body in real time. 10 productivity gadgets, 1 desktop setup completely replaced. Number 1. Your desk manages you. You should be managing your work. The DeskPal fixes that relationship permanently. This is an AI-powered workspace system that sits on your desk and actively organizes your environment around your productivity. Not a passive hub you plug things into, but an intelligent system that monitors your workflow, manages your devices, controls your ambient environment, and surfaces the right tools at exactly the right moment. It learns how you work across every session, your deep focus hours, your meeting patterns, your context-switching habits, the rhythm of your most productive days. DeskPal builds a model of your specific work behavior and starts shaping your environment around it automatically, adjusting lighting, managing notifications, prioritizing your active tools, clearing distractions before you notice they're there. Device charging, cable management, ambient sound, and AI task assistance, all unified in one system that sits at the center of your desk and makes every hour at it more productive than the last. Most productivity tools ask you to change how you work. DeskPal changes how your desk works around you. That distinction makes all the difference. Number 2. 1 laptop, 1 phone, earbuds, tablet, watch, second phone. 6 devices, and you've got 2 ports and a cable situation that looks like a problem. The AOHi 280-watt GAN Plus desktop charger handles all 6 simultaneously without flinching. 280 watts of total output across 6 ports, USB-C and USB-A combination that covers every device you own, every cable standard in use, and every simultaneous charging scenario your desk throws at it. GAN Plus technology delivers that output in a compact desktop unit that runs cooler and more efficiently than conventional chargers managing a fraction of the power. Intelligent power distribution monitors what each port needs and allocates wattage dynamically. Your laptop gets what it needs for fast charging, your phone gets its share, and nothing is left waiting because the system can't prioritize correctly. 1 hub, 6 ports, 280 watts, every device fully charged simultaneously. The cable chaos on your desk just became a single, clean unit. Number 3. Every productivity app promises to help you work better. Most of them become another thing to manage. The Lenovo AI Workmate is different because it works alongside you rather than asking you to work around it. This is a dedicated AI work companion device that sits in your workspace and actively participates in your workday, managing communications, summarizing documents, preparing meeting briefs, drafting responses, and handling the administrative layer of your work so you can focus on the parts that actually require your thinking. The AI integrates with your existing tools, calendar, email, documents, task management, building a unified picture of your workday and acting on it proactively. Before a meeting, the brief is ready. After a call, the summary is done. Mid-task, the relevant document surfaces without you searching for it. Lenovo's hardware reliability underpins the whole thing. A device built for all-day, everyday professional use that doesn't ask for your patience in return for its assistance. An AI that works as hard as you do, the Lenovo Workmate shows up for every shift. Number 4. Your calendar shows you what's scheduled. It has no idea whether any of it makes sense. The ZIEA One is the world's first AI calendar, and the difference is everything.
This isn't a digital calendar with a better interface. It's an AI planning system that understands your workload, your energy patterns, your priorities, and your focus capacity, and builds a daily plan that actually accounts for all of them simultaneously. It schedules deep work in your high focus windows. It groups meetings to protect uninterrupted blocks. It detects when your day is overloaded before it becomes a crisis, and suggests what to move, what to drop, and what to protect. It learns from how your days actually go and improves its planning accordingly. The physical device sits on your desk as a dedicated calendar display, always visible, always current, showing your optimized day without requiring you to open an app or switch a window. A calendar used to be a record of commitments. The ZIEA One is a system that helps you actually keep them. Number 5. 3 monitors, a laptop, a tablet on the side. You've built an entire infrastructure just to get work done, and you still can't take any of it with you. The Nimo just made all of it optional. This is the world's first spatial computer, a wearable device that projects up to 3 full virtual screens into the space around you, letting you work from anywhere as if you're sitting at a fully equipped workstation. Put Nimo on and your screens appear in space. Adjustable size, adjustable position, completely private and invisible to anyone around you. Sharp enough for hours of focused work. Your apps, your files, your workflow, all floating in front of you wherever you happen to be. Standalone processing or phone-connected extension, wireless keyboard and mouse, your entire work environment in a device you wear. Your office used to be a place you went to. Nimo made it something you put on. Number 6. Your desk has everything except something that actually pays attention to what you're doing. Loona Deskmate pays attention. This is a screen-aware AI coworker, a desktop robot that sees your screen, understands your current task, and proactively assists based on what's actually happening in your work rather than waiting to be summoned. Working on a document? It offers relevant suggestions. On a call? It takes notes. Switching between tasks? It tracks the context so you don't lose your place. Stuck on something? It surfaces the answer before you finish forming the question. The physical presence matters. Loona expresses focus states, reacts to your environment, and creates a sense of working alongside something rather than just operating it. Most AI tools wait to be asked. Loona watches and acts, and the difference in your workday is immediate. Number 7. The monitor hasn't fundamentally changed in decades. Wider, taller, higher resolution, but still a flat rectangle sitting in one fixed position on your desk. The UltraBar X rethought the monitor from the ground up. This is a desktop display system that breaks the constraints of conventional screen design, a modular bar configuration that extends your workspace horizontally, vertically, and in combinations that a standard monitor form factor physically cannot achieve. The ultra-wide field of view eliminates the need for multiple monitors without the bezels, the alignment headaches, and the separate cable runs that multi-monitor setups require. One unified display surface, seamless, continuous, configurable. AI-powered workspace management runs alongside the hardware, intelligently partitioning your screen real estate based on your active tasks, resizing windows contextually, and organizing your workflow into zones that match how you actually use your applications. Connectivity is comprehensive, multiple input sources, USB hub integration, and a cable management system that keeps the desk underneath it clean. The desktop revolution wasn't about faster processors, it was about rethinking the surface you look at all day. UltraBar X is what that rethink looks like. Number 8. Every monitor you've ever used has been flat, two-dimensional, a window into a world that doesn't have depth. The Looking Glass Hololuminescent display has depth. This is a glasses-free holographic monitor, a display that projects three-dimensional content into the space in front of display with genuine depth that you perceive with both eyes, without any headset, glasses, or viewing apparatus required. 3D models float in front of the display with spatial presence. Medical imaging, architectural visualization, product design, game environments, data visualization, anything with three-dimensional information becomes fundamentally more comprehensible when viewed with actual depth rather than simulated perspective on a flat surface. Multiple viewers can see the holographic content simultaneously from different angles, each getting a perspective-correct view of the same 3D scene without coordination or calibration. Compatible with standard 3D content formats and integrating with professional design and visualization software, screens have been flat since screens existed. The looking-glass hololuminescent display is what happens when they don't have to be. Number 9. Every keyboard forces your hands into a position designed for the keyboard, not for your body. After enough hours, enough years, your wrists and shoulders notice. The KeyKrush ORCA puts your hands where they actually want to be. 2 independent wireless halves, each positioned at whatever angle and distance your body finds natural, with 0 cable between them and 0 desk clutter as a result. Ergonomics that adapt to you instead of demanding you adapt to them. The typing experience doesn't sacrifice anything for the split design. Premium mechanical switches, a satisfying, precise key feel, a layout that experienced typists find immediately familiar. The learning curve from conventional to split takes days, not weeks, and the wrist relief starts on day 1. Compact enough for travel, robust enough for professional daily use, battery life that doesn't demand attention. Your keyboard has been quietly asking your body to compromise for years. The ORCA is what it looks like when that stops. Number 10. Every ergonomic chair holds one position and calls it support. Your body doesn't hold one position, and it never has. The Lavenne R9 is the chair that finally understood that. This is a dynamic 2.0 ergonomic chair with a frame that moves in response to your body, adjusting its support geometry in real time as you shift, lean, recline, and reposition throughout your workday, maintaining optimal spinal alignment and lumbar support through every movement rather than just the one you were in when you adjusted the settings. The dynamic response mechanism isn't a rocking chair or a free float system. It's a controlled, intelligent adaptation that follows your body's natural micro-movements and provides active counter support that keeps your spine properly aligned without requiring you to consciously maintain posture. Materials are premium throughout. Breathable mesh where airflow matters, structured support where your body needs resistance, and adjustment range that genuinely accommodates different body types rather than optimizing for one. 8 hours in the R9 ends differently than 8 hours in anything else you've sat in. Your back will tell you the difference before you even get up. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.